That really hurt.
Sorry.
What am I doing?
I just got hit by a fucking butterfly. How did that work? I slowed down, I hit a butterfly.
It's because it's a big butterfly.
A big butterfly and I slow down. Imagine that on the A3.
That's alright, for that. Then I've got to the £120 online order, so now I've got like no money.
How about you
Maybe.
save it and maybe not do so much shopping?
Maybe this?
I got hit by another butterfly.
I watched a really interesting programme about Christian back in there.
No.
I didn't realise it was so cheap.
Whoa! Get this punk away from me.
This rat looking bitch.
He's so cute.
I don't want him. Go away, Joe.
But it might be your soulmate.
No, he's a certified little shit.
Really
Bobbie, in the list of uncool things you could have done, that's just taking the top spot. A little wank rag. You're a fucking pound-hand wank rag.
After a fucking half lap head start, the boy. Bang.
Tell you my favourite thing. On my
Our friendship is being tested.
You have the...
Oh, what are you doing?
No.
Who is this Foxy? Where did you get that? I'm gonna gouge his other eye out in a minute. Oh, it is quite cute.
Foxy feeling foxy.
Right.
Couldn't see you were never meant for me. I'm gonna work. Used to the beauty and terror. She says her friends are fucked in the fairest the weather. She asks,
Oh, what the fuck are you doing? What'd you do that for? What are you doing? What the fuck is that?
Ow.
Huh?
Tom just had sex.
Can you get out of here? It's not. It's a normal thing.
Your love, it makes me stronger.
And I'm Charlie Hughes in a Charlie one.
Is that a whole block of cheese?
Mmm.
Fair enough.
Mmm.
Do you want to try it? Squeeze it.
Squeeze it.
I don't want too much to come out.
Hot?
What is it? What is it?
Someone with swagger. Oh, yeah,
If anyone gets tasty tonight, Bob will take care of it. You know the call.
If you have a problem, if no one else can help, and if you can find them, maybe you can hire
Bobbie! You know the call.
Don't drink alcohol if setting off fireworks.
Any fireworks is good to me.
Stand back.
Oh! Get back!
Oh my god, what's that?
What the fuck? I was expecting like a heft. Like,
I did, I said my
it didn't, it was like a fucking wet slap.
Sorry? So you that gets to my garden, and you're doing this after 10 o'clock, okay.
Couldn't hear a word of that. Hello lads. Hey YouTube.
Fire, fire! You're about to set the
It's like a flatty burnt stick.
so much
We'll just chuck the firelighter at it.
No, probably.
No, wait, go on.
Oh, I love I don't trust him, I'm not gonna lie. Close that shit. Tom's in the doghouse.
tits, where'd it go?
She brought back a diversion sign. Some people bring people home after a night out. Violet brings road signs.
Road signs.
Yeah, we definitely got someone sacked.
We did, blatantly. The next.
Told you to look after the fucking sign, Tony. I did, bro. I did.
The woodland. What? Where did they go? Why after woodland?
Oh, nice, man.
That was me.
Oh my god, look, it's the skeleton.
Hello, chaps. No way.
No way.
Hey, I'll hold still a second.
Landlord's trying to make us vagrants, and Jackie it's with an iron fist. The landlord goes down swinging while you drink your buddy's piss. I don't know what to do now.